In this video, we will discuss an overview of grading. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file gradingoverview.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides a wide suite of grading tools that you can use to create any type of site design. You can automate surface creation by using grading groups, or you can use feature line tools to create break lines for your surfaces. You can define grading styles, criteria, and feature line styles in a drawing template to save time drafting and help create consistent standards-based drawings. The first thing you want to understand when it comes to grading is sites. Think of a site as a repository for grading objects. This can include grading groups, parcels, along with feature lines and alignments. The categories that we're interested in are feature lines and any grading groups that may be necessary. These feature lines and grading group objects will interact with each other. An example of this would be two grading objects that are in the same group, and as you move them close to each other, they will actually grade to themselves, interacting with each other. Let's look at some examples of these different objects. If we zoom into our pad that we have defined here, we first started out with a few feature lines to begin our design. We can start from existing and then develop our site based upon our design specifications. You also have grading objects, which will do things like grade to a surface, grade to relative elevation, or grade to a specific distance. All these grading objects will talk to each other, and if you move one, they will all move along with it. You can also automate surface creation by using grading groups and adding feature lines to that surface to fine-tune your site design. Civil 3D also provides automatic volume tools where you can actually calculate volumes from your grading group objects. Regarding the settings for the different object types, if we navigate to the Settings tab, General Category, Multi-Purpose Styles, here's where you define the feature line styles that you can use within your design. Again, the feature line style will define what should get displayed where and what layer things should go on. You also have grading styles, which will define what the styles for the grading objects should go on. There's also something called grading criteria sets, which allow you to standardize on specific criteria sets, such as if you were doing a specific design type, like curb and gutter, or sidewalk design, etc., you could actually lock in offset values, elevations, and so on.